When you're looking into updating your home with replacement windows, you have a ton of options to choose from. I'm going to run through the 8 most common types of windows and tell you a little bit about their functions and purpose. If you're looking at replacing your windows, odds are they're outdated, not functioning properly, and just not doing their job. Most of the time when people replace windows, they are looking at an updated version of what they already have on their home. But really, it's a great opportunity to improve your home by looking at all the windows you're replacing and what window is going to do the best job. Once you see the different possibilities available to your home, it can open up a bunch of opportunities to make your home more comfortable and give you a more attractive living space. So let's jump right in and talk about some windows. Single and double hung windows. These classic favorites are as versatile as they are functional. Single hung windows only have one movable sash. More specifically, the bottom sash slides over the top only. Double hung windows have 2 movable sashes that you can slide up or down to let air into the room. Most people go for double hung windows for easy maintenance and flexible airflow options. Picture windows. Providing uninhibited view of the outdoors, picture windows have a single fixed pane of glass that you cannot move. Combined with movable windows and patio doors, picture windows open up your room like no other type of window can. They are perfect for dining rooms, living rooms, and large foyers. Awning windows. Perfect for patios and bedrooms, awning windows exist to give you privacy while still letting the light into the room. You can open them slightly from the bottom to add ventilation as well. Slider windows. Also known as gliding windows, slider windows have 2 sashes that slide from left to right or from right to left. Sliders are best suited for spaces where you want effortless operation, like kitchens and basements. Casement windows. Perfect for hard-to-reach places, you crank open casement windows instead of sliding them up and down. Simple and easy to use, casements work well next to other types of windows to add extra light and fresh air to your room. You can expect to pay a bit more for casement windows, however, they're a great way to add a bit of elegance to your room. Bay windows. Bay windows bring a touch of the outdoors into any room. They offer a wide-open look with superior lighting and multiple views. Popular for kitchens, master bedrooms, and even family rooms, these windows fit well in Victorian-style homes to increase the size of a room. One popular benefit of bay windows is the shelf, which is great for plants or even a great place for your cat to enjoy the outdoors. Bow windows. Bow windows are almost identical to bay windows. However, rather than having an angular shape, they're curved. Bays and bows typically have a small hip roof built above or can tie into the overhang on your existing roof. Garden windows. A garden window is a small window that extends out from the home. They include shelving that is great for housing plants in an area where they'll get lots of sunlight. Choosing the right replacement windows doesn't have to be overwhelming. Starting with understanding and knowing your options is a great beginning. If you'd like to explore some more of our window options or for more information, click the link below. If you'd like to learn more about this and similar home improvement topics, subscribe and like our content.